everyone. Today we are going to discuss the very first chapter from Honeysuckle, that is grade 6 NCERT book. The first chapter name is Who Did Patrick's Homework? So let's get started.
Patrick never did his homework because he found it boring. Instead, he played outdoor games like hockey and basketball. He also liked to play video games like Nintendo. His teacher warned him to complete his homework, otherwise, he won't be able to learn anything. It was a fact because at times he used to feel an ignorant person who was completely helpless in this regard. He had no interest in studies and homework. One day, he observed his cat playing with a doll and was surprised to find that it exactly wasn't a doll. In fact, it was rather a man of the smallest size. It was wearing a woolen shirt with an old-fashioned trousers and a tall hat which made him look like a witch. The doll cried and requested Patrick to save him and not to send him back to the cat. In return, the doll promised Patrick to fulfill his wish. It was difficult for Patrick to accept that he was so fortunate to get an answer to all his difficulties through this tiny man. So he asked him if he could do his homework till the end of the semester, that is just a period of 35 days, to help him score A grade. Patrick was thinking that with the help of this elf, he can improve his grades. After hearing this, the little man's face gave a look of clothes lying in the basket used for washing dishes. He showed his disapproval for the work by kicking his leg. But Patrick asked him if he was that unfortunate to do that task, but he promised to do the work. And keeping his word, the elf who had the supernatural powers started doing his homework. But sometimes he needed help as he didn't know all the things. And then poor Patrick had to help him. Sometimes while reading Patrick's homework, the elf would say, crying aloud, that he doesn't know the meaning of this word. Give me dictionary or something that can help me to identify the sound of each letter as well as word. The elf knew nothing of mathematics. All concepts of maths were completely strange for him. Poor Patrick, he was unfortunate in this matter. The elf explained that elves never needed mathematical concepts like addition, subtraction, division, or fractions. So Patrick had to sit next to him to guide. Even he did not know anything of the human history, it was completely strange to him. Thus, he screamed at him to visit the library and get him more and more books and help him to read as well. Actually, this little creature was either troubling, complaining, or asking Patrick to do something or the other all the time. Poor Patrick was not able to sleep and was awake for nights together. He had never felt so tired before and was going to school with his dull-looking eyes. Finally, it was the last day of the school and the elf has completed freedom to go as there was no more homework to do. So without speaking anything, in a secretive manner, he moved out from the back door. And our poor Patrick, oh no, now I don't want to call him poor Patrick. In fact, now let's see what exactly happened. Patrick Patrick scored A grade. Yes, he got A grade in all the subjects. His classmates were surprised. Teachers were full of appreciation, and parents were trying to know what made him so perfect. What had happened to him? He became an extraordinary child who cleaned his room himself, did all his work, and became a happy child who was never rude and developed a complete new self and look.
Concluding, I would like to say that it was not the elf, but Patrick himself who did his work. The elf just propelled him to do everything. So, babies, I hope that you all have understood the chapter very well. And see, it was poor Patrick who, by the end of the chapter, became an extraordinary child, a meticulous child who performed very well. But what was the power behind that? It was his confidence. Maybe it was Alf who made him do all the work. But when you do something with your own hands, with your own mind, things actually retain for a longer time period. So that is what had happened with Patrick. He did all the work on his own and he thought it was Alf who did everything for him. So babies, always believe in yourself because it's you